in celebrations of 72nd Araw ng Barangay Tagnalan and 2nd Barangay Festival presents Youth Day and the Border Kabataan with the theme Local Youth Action for the SDGs and beyond. This night, ladies and gentlemen, the presentation of our Manayao Queens and Drag Queen Competition. But before anything else, we request everyone to please stand for our invocations. Ayan, maayong gabi, Barangay Tagnalan! Wow! Thank you so much for inviting me to be your host this night. And of course, happy 72nd Araw ng Barangay Tagnalan. And of course, this second Madagayaon Queens. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating mga sarili taga-Barangay Tagnalan. And of course, at this moment of time, ladies and gentlemen, to give a welcome address, let's have the Honorable SK Chairperson, Honorable Florence Jean Tumali.
My respect to our Provincial Governor of Davao de Oro, Honorable Raul M. Abango, to the Congressman of District 2, Honorable John Siniza, to our dynamic and active Barangay Captain of Barangay Tagnalan, Honorable Efren G. Kagumbay, to the Barangay Councils, we have Honorable Loli Tantog, Honorable Teofilo Kahatol, and to my active SK Sangguniang Kabataan Councilor sa Barangay Tagnalan, sa atong mga bisita karong gabi una, ug kanatong tanan nga taga Barangay Tagnalan, maayong gabi kanatong tanan. Welcome to the day 2 of celebration of the 72nd Araw ng Barangay Tagnalan and 2nd Madagayaon Festival. So tonight, we will be having the presentation of our 9 lovely candidates. So after that, aduna sab kitay drag queen, and after the drag queen, naatay paghitabuon nga foam party ug kabalo ko ug naghinaot kami tanan nga ang matag usa mag-enjoy sa pag-celebrate no sa ika-72nd na araw ng Barangay Tagnalan and
Gusto na ko malungog ang hiyawan at palakpakan ng bawat puro. Ladies and gentlemen, the presentations of our Madagayaon Queens and the Drag Queens.
Jomayla Padilla, 17, representing Purok 8 and 9. Mariel May Sim, 20, representing Purok 1 and 2.
DJ Mason.
Norin Lopez, 18, representing Purok 17 in Dating.
DJ Mason.
We call the